everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Meg, and if you are new here, welcome. So these are the dressers that I am working on today. They are two mini matching dressers. I say mini, but they're actually quite large. And I am just putting them on my carts because at the moment I have nobody to help me, so I needed to do this by myself. I managed to get them both onto the dollies and move them over to my paint area. It was a little difficult by myself, but I managed to do it. That was the first one. This was the second one. I love these carts. You can get them at Princess Auto. And I just placed boards on top of them. So these are the dressers. Super cute. And I didn't keep the handles. I replaced them because I was going for a modern look. And there was nothing wrong with them. They were in really good condition. They are not solid wood. And so the first thing I did was remove the hardware. Now I did keep the two top drawer pulls, and then the rest of them I replaced. I used my little handheld vacuum to vacuum out all the drawers, making sure that they were all clean. There was a mark or something inside one of the drawers. I think it was just a spill of something, and so I used my cred cutter to remove that. I then sprayed both pieces with cred cutter all over both sides, top and bottom, making sure that all of the dirt came off because they were quite dusty and maybe some spills on them. I used a lint-free cloth to wipe all of the excess off. And then I also took my spray bottle. You can see the stain there actually. It's not a stain, it was like a spill. So I wiped all of the cred cutter off, and I also took my water spray bottle and just sprayed water on top of it just to remove any of the leftover cred cutter so that it was completely clean and didn't have any leftover. I then took some sandpaper and just scuff sanded the top and the surface. Now, because this is not solid wood, it is MDF or some sort of particle board, it does become very, very smooth. So scuff sanding is really important on these pieces. After I had scuff sanded, I then wiped down both pieces so that there wasn't any sanding dust left over, and to give them that extra clean surface for my primer and paint to go on nicely. To get ready for spraying, I get green tape and just place them over the holes inside the drawers. That way when I'm painting, the spray, primer, and the paint doesn't go inside the drawers. I then wrapped up each drawer with painter's plastic. I'll put this product in my description. I use it quite a lot, and it's really good for preventing paint going onto your drawer sides or inside the drawers. So as you can see here, I did take out the drawers on one of the dressers and put painter's plastic to cover the inside, and this is because I didn't have quite a lot of room to take out all the drawers. but I did wrap the other drawers as well that were inside. So I also was sort of seeing what method worked the best, and both ways worked, keeping the drawers in and just pulled out a little bit, but the other drawers were on the floor just in front of me. So I used Kiltz Restoration Primer, and I did about 2 to 3 coats of the primer. Again, because of the smooth surface, I wanted to make sure that these dressers were going to really be protected. And I love this primer. It comes out really smooth and it's beautiful to sand. It also is amazing for stub and bleed through. Once that was sanded, I then started to spray the paint. Now, the paint is Country Chic paint, and it's called Sunday Tea. It's a really nice light beige. Perfect color for the vision that I was going for, because I wanted these to be modern. And I'm also using a new release product from Redesign by Prima. And you'll get to see that really soon in this video. So as you can see, the painter's plastic came off a little bit, and that's because of the runners on this piece. They all had really great runners that made the drawers go in smoothly and really nice. When you're spraying, make sure that when you're spraying the drawers that you're getting all of the sides and corners. Now, what happened here is I had to add a layer of clear shellac on the top. As you can see here, it's shiny, it's still drying. And that's because there was a couple of marks and I can still see them, so I might have to afterwards do another coat on the one top of the dresser because it just kept showing up, and I'm not sure if it was a scratch mark from me or I'm not really sure, but I'll have to repaint that top. Now I sanded the paint and the shellac with the 1000 grit sanding block that I just showed. And once all that was done and I had wiped off all the excess dust, I started to use this new stencil. It is so pretty. I absolutely love it. It has a modern look. It's called Art Deco by Redesign with Prima. And I also used their mini rollers to roll on chalk paste, which is also their product. Now the chalk paste was really good. It is quite thick to apply, and it did take more of the product, so you could use paint if you wanted to, but the chalk paste also gave a little bit of texture to it, which I really liked afterwards when I was done this stenciling. I put the stencil on every single drawer of both pieces, and I made sure that they all lined up and that the stencil carried on from the drawer above and the drawer below. So here's what it looks like as I pull it off for a closer look. It's such a great design. I love it. Once all that was done, I put all the drawers back in, and then I started to spray the clear coat. This is my top coat that I use quite a lot on almost every piece. And I took all the plastic off as well, as that was not needed while I sprayed the top coat. I did 3 coats of the top coat, especially on the drawers and the tops. And like I had said before, I will have to redo that one top because I'm not liking the scratch mark that happened. Now for the hardware, it was these bar handles that I got off of Amazon. They come in a pack of 10 for a really good price. I'll put those in my description as well. Now these are 5 inches from center to center, and I usually spray paint them with Rust-Oleum spray just to change the color, but these actually looked so good on this dresser and matched really well. They were like a muted sort of soft silver. And so I used those and put all of them on the drawers, but the two top drawer pulls I did have to spray because they were a bronze color before, and so I sprayed those in a Rust-Oleum silver spray to match the bar handles. And this is what they look like. I think they turned out absolutely amazing. I love the stencil design. It is so pretty. I think they look modern and they are ready for their new home. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video and this makeover, and all of the details will be in my description. Thank you so much for watching and your support. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment what you think. And I'll see you next Sunday at 3 p.m. Eastern. Take care.